everyone, we're here at BRK headquarters, Bushfire Readiness Kits, and we're going to announce the winner of the competition for the large basic Bushfire Readiness Kits that was run in the TL News, or the local. So we've got all our entrants here. We're going to get our lucky Bushfire super dogs to choose the winner. We're going to throw them up in the air, and whichever one gets sniffed first, that's who the winner is. Alright, are we ready, guys? 1, 2, come on. What do we got? What do we got? Alright, this one. This is the winner. Alright, who have we got? Claudia V from Drummond is the winner of the large basic Bushfire Readiness Kit, and you'll have that on the way to you soon. Congratulations, and stay safe this summer, everyone. Make sure you get your property, your home, your car and everything prepared. Cheers.